So we need these institutional funds para importante yung regulatory clarity para magkaroon ng tuloy-tuloy na institutional adoption. Yes, we've seen yung institutional adoption through corporate Bitcoin strategy. Diba? So yung strategy, nagbubodega, nilalagay sa treasury niya and some of the other corporations. Ngayon, if you want these institutions na mag-adapt at magbodega din ng Bitcoin, kailangan meron kang regulatory clarity. So yun yung pinupush dun sa consensus, no? Hong Kong 2026. Yun yung pinag-uusapan po. I think this cycle, the next cycle, yung next bull market, yan yung magiging narrative. Diyan magfo-focus more on regulations. More on regulations. And isa pa daw pinag-uusapan doon, tokenization. So that's RWA naman, ano? So again, maybe next cycle, pagkukwentuhan, ang importante ngayon is magkaroon tayo ng clear regulation kasi we want these institutional funds with trillions of dollars of capital na pumasok dito sa Bitcoin. Kasi kung tayo-tayo lang po ng mga retailers, kung sa meme coin nga, nagkakasunugan nagkakasuntukan pa dun Paunahan pa sa meme coin ang dami pa nararag pool Diba? Hindi matutulak po ng retailer yung Bitcoin. If you want Bitcoin to go to probably 500k, hindi kaya itulak ng retailer. Mabigat na po masyado yan. So we need these institutional funds para matulak yung presyo. Otherwise, we're gonna stay here. Maybe 100, 120. Andyan lang tayo.